Logging in and resetting your password. First, open the CaptionMate app. It looks like this. When the app opens, press Log In. To log back into your CaptionMate account, simply type in the email address and password you used during registration, then press Continue. If you'd like to view the password as you are typing it in to ensure it's correct, press the I icon to the right. If you can't remember your password, enter your email address and click on Forgot Password. The system will now email and/or text you a temporary password. Once you enter your temporary password, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Now you have reset or created a new password. If you have any questions about logging into your CaptionMate account, please contact customer support at any time. We are here to help.